Rusty had to play pool because I'm the pool master.
Watch him lose. Standard, boys. Breakfast with Keegan today. Standard procedure.
Watch out away, I'm looking at how you set this shit up.
Can you tell we've not played it for like fucking 20 years?
Yeah. So you set up, boys. Told you, boys. Call me Ronnie Sullivan. Boom. Oh, can't teach it, mate. Can't teach it. It's all about the angles, mate. It's all about the angles.
I've not played it for about 20 years. Yeah, happy, Keegan.
Do I look happy?
You look very happy. Breakfast, boys. What the fuck? Breakfast, boys. Breakfast.
Oh,
But you don't have mushrooms. What's that all about? What is that all about?
Hey, we've got the gash browns. So then, guys, it was my idea to come to Clumber Park, and Rusty's not very. He don't really like me now, because if you can see, look at his fucking splitter. Oh shit! This is not good. This is not good. So now, taking front bumper off the car. We're just blocking road off, mate. It's funny, but it's depressing because we're gonna have to put his front bumper back on. So guys, literally got Rusty jacking the car up to try and get these bolts off. Rubber dinghy rapids of row. Not the bolts here. There's one underneath the car, which is not good.
This is gonna fucking prick me off.
Loving the new brown. Fuck.
Swear to God, next time you sing, you're a fucking idiot.
He is not happy. It says I'm gonna fuck
If I carried on going, it should have splitted it all. You can't back up off them because they're designed so you can't go back the other way. So the only choice you had was to take bumper off.
Amen.
You can't wet it at an angle because there's fucking
Millions of them.
there's posts either side of it as well. Right, so we're now back from Keegan making me take my bumper off, and we're now with Jack again with a pretty face. So what we're going to do is replace his drop links on his car because he's got a knocking up front. So what we're going to do is take front wheels off, axle stands, all that fresh stuff, with Jack making all the noise with himself on the floor.
I'm not on the floor yet.
Mate, there's two of you.
Why?
A yellow one.
Oh yeah.
And a black one. So yeah, what we're going to do is we're going to replace these drop links on his car, see if we can stop this knocking, because he's got a bit of play in his drop links. So we're going to get straight to that now.
Go get fucker! Keegan! A wheel!
He's legit just curbed his alloy. He didn't curb it, he fucking he signed it.
My fucking hands are black, huh?
It's a good job they need a alloy refurb anyway, innit?
It sounded like, well,
It's a good job that's my cheap tyre, isn't it?
What is that? What are those? Nut's just spinning, so we're just gonna chuck some WD-40 on it to unloosen it. Work it, Jack. Work it. Work it.
I got sweat up.
Ha! Ha!
This much, all the girls stomp your feet like this.
Is that hot?
Yeah.
And it's off at the top.
They're strong, aren't they?
Yeah, easily bent. Keegan, what did you do to me at Sherwood Pines?
All I'm going to say is, how's your bumper, lad?
It's actually alright, since I could take it off.
Ow, fucking shot.
What's your head? Thought I'd just show you this little bit in this vlog. I've been doing this with Keegan. I've helped him out with this. He's got a theme, obviously. If you want to check out his channel and how this has been done, links in the description. I'm not going to show you how I've done it. That's for his content. So here we are. Look, we've got a 50-50 half and half theme going on. Red, white and black camo and grey. So we're going to have one side of the car in black, white and red. So we're going to have all this side done. That's what he's going to do. And you guys can follow that progress on his channel. So jump straight onto his channel and subscribe for that. So this is Jack's problem. Oh, too much knocking.
Ghosty, get off!
Right, new bar going in, boys.
Jack, yeah? Keep that fucking track on empty yourself.
I'll get some better.
I'll get some fucking better. Oh, what's a bigger? That's fucking thicker.
It's not first time you've said that, is it, Keegan? Right, so we've got the new one on, all sorted, all finished on one side. Literally 10-minute job, so we're going to just do other side now and crack that one out as well, and that will stop his knocking noises that he's got. Right guys, so Jack is in his car. We're just taking it for a drive now to check it. Now every time we were going off a speed hump, you could hear the knocking. Oh, did you hear that? No knocking. No knocking. So again, another test. Go over it with left wheel or right wheel. See, no knocking. Then go try it next one. And we'll go over it with other wheel just to double check. Look at that, no noise, silent. Till his exhaust kicks in.
Come